Okay, let's check the news, shall we? Perfect, let's see. Attention, breaking news. There is a car chase on the loose. And please, run for your life, run for your life. He runs over any person on his direction, so good luck. And I just want to say, God! Ow, what happened? Huh? Dude, you know what this means? We're all cooked. Nah, not really. Well, that news reporter got hit by a car. What could it be about? Well, I don't know, to be honest. Mamma mia, this is bad. He got thrown 2 times at least. Yeah, 2 times. Well, what could I think? What would I think about it? Did you join the FBI? Oh, not me. Do you have a warrant? You're not even answering. I don't know about it. FBI don't need any warrant. I know, right? I would say the same thing too. And whoa. You need to help me. What did I do? I know, right? Like, what did you do? Wrong suspect. What? Y'all left? You're not gonna apologize? Damn. Let's just go and talk to him. Good idea. Let's go. How many are y'all? Don't worry about it. Just tell me what's going on. Not really. Nothing. Have you seen a chicken with a Mexican hat? Well, I heard about. Well, I was talking to him yesterday. Can you describe me? Well, he was a driver. He got hit when he saw a chicken. The chicken that we eat, like chicken wing. Oh, okay, I see. Yeah, I literally saw the news too. Have you seen him around? See? Yep, I know you'd feel that. You're not talking about the chicken wing. You're talking about the one that took us to France. Yeah. He's dangerous. He ran over 2 people right now. What? Yeah. You could be next. So, if you see any of those people, please let me know. Well, let's save him. Good idea? Yeah, good idea. But let's get started. Come on, let's go. No, you drive my car. Okay, let's go. Wait. We're going to a stage. I know where that guy went. You said you didn't. So with you. Okay. Now look. I can help the 5 of y'all, probably. I don't know. There's so many of y'all. Anyway. Just do something. I am going to do something. Just let's go to your car. Okay, then go ahead. Let's go. So what are we doing? Well, I'm going to take that chicken. How are you going to do that? Yes. And the second suspect is going to come and run away. I can see her. I can see her in the screen. Wait a minute. That ain't no way. I know, right? Good heart attacks, I guess. What are you doing? I'm crashing into him. Oh. Why did you not turn on your sirens? I don't want to. Fine, I'll make you. You're gonna make a officer do what you want? I guess. Get out of here. Okay, fine. I just can I just play music? Yeah, sure. Well, yeah, of course. What kind of song are these? Because the other songs are not good. I'm looking for better songs. Can I get some of that cake? Cold. Living in Paris. Oh man, still. I see a car. Really? Where? It's over there. Oh. Go. Okay, what's up? Oh God, oh my God, what happened? I don't know, the car crashed so bad. Oh my God. Wait a second. Uh-oh, it's this FBI. Open up. Uh-oh, I'm so cold. Especially being sick. Be quiet. Don't make me turn chicken wings drive, okay? Sorry, chicken. Nah, you two are under arrested. Have a good time. I'll be right back. Oh my God, Bonna, did you see? Oh, hello, chickens. I don't want to see y'all again, okay? Let's go. We're free, but you are not. Bye-bye.